Hey, what's up guys? My name is Brent and today we are making blue milk from Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. The first thing that we're going to need is a blender and some ingredients. First we're going to put in 1 cup of pineapple chunks, 1/3 of a cup of pineapple juice, 3/4 of a cup of coconut milk, 1/3 of a cup of rice milk, and lastly 4 tablespoons of sweetened coconut cream. Now we're just gonna blend this until it's fully combined, and make sure you hold onto the lid unlike me. Once it's fully combined, we can stop the blender and we're going to add white food coloring. This may be pretty hard to find, but we'll put a link in the description. Now we're just going to blend that until it's fully combined. And now we're going to gradually add blue food coloring into the blender. Once it's the color that we're looking for, like this light blue, you can go ahead and add some ice. It'll take roughly 2 cups of ice, but do a little bit at a time. Last thing we have to do is pour it into a glass and enjoy.